Hey makers, welcome back. Today I'm counting down the top 3 DEWALT circular saws that pros and serious DAOs reach for: 2 lightweight corded workhorses and a powerful 20V cordless option. I'll give you the product name, the key specs to know, a current price snapshot, and the quick pros and cons. Each is a single paragraph, so it's voiceover ready. Let's roll. 1. DEWALT DWE575SB DEWALT 7 to 1/4-inch lightweight circular saw with electric brake. This compact corded saw is built for job site speed and control. A high-torque 15-amp motor, roughly 2 to 9/16 depth of cut at 90 degrees, a lightweight 8.8-pound body for easy one-handed handling, and an electric blade brake for instant stopping. It also offers bevel capacity for angled cuts and an integrated blower to keep the cut line clear. Current Amazon listings for the DWE575 family put the DWE575SB models in the mid-$150s to high-$170s range depending on seller and kit. Pros: superb balance of power versus weight, electric brake safety, and great cutting capacity for framing and sheet goods. Cons: cord limits mobility vs cordless, and you'll want a high-quality blade for the cleanest cuts. 2. DEWALT DWE575 DEWALT 7 to 1/4-inch lightweight corded circular saw. DWE575 same family, slightly different bundle spectrum. It keeps the 15-amp motor and the class-leading lightweight, about 8.8 pounds, with solid depth of cut and bevel capability, plus a durable aluminum shoe and onboard wrench storage. The straight DWE575 listings on Amazon commonly show prices around $140 to $160 for new units. Watch for kit versus bare tool listings. Pros: excellent value if you want corded, continuous power, and slightly lower street price than premium kits. Cons: fewer bundled extras in basic SKUs, and you'll still need extension cord management on big sites. 3. DEWALT DCS570P1 DEWALT 20V Max *XR brushless 7 to 1/4-inch cordless circular saw. DCS570P1. This cordless XR model brings brushless motor efficiency ~5, 205, 500 RPM depending on the listing. Cordless portability with a 20V max battery kit, 2 to 9/16 cutting capacity at 90 degrees, and a magnesium aluminum shoe for durability. It's aimed at pros who want corded level cuts without a cord. Pricing varies by configuration. Bare tool DCS570 variants sometimes appear around $150 to $200, while full kits with battery charge are commonly range higher. Kits seen in the $300s, $400s depending on battery size. Pros: true cordless convenience, brushless motor for runtime and life, and comparable cut capacity to corded saws. Cons: higher cost if you buy the kit, and runtime depends on battery capacity, so plan for spare batteries on long jobs.